I tell you, orthopedics called to me earlier. I still remember in medical school when I first got exposed to it, I realized right then and there the ability to take somebody who's in a hurting situation and to make some immediate impact is really what called to me. Hey guys.
Hey, how you doing?
We're gonna get this big cast off of you so you can start walking on it.
Dr. Shah, overall the experience with him has been phenomenal. Through the last couple visits that we've been here, all concerns that we've had have been addressed.
It's all lined up very well and healing very, very well.
What he's projected for Joshua to be back up to normal has been on point every time.
Eventually it's gonna be pretty phenomenal. It's gonna end up looking just like this. I want to treat patients the way I would want my parents or my children to be treated, and so with honesty and respect, and really I try to break down those patient-doctor barriers and just talk to the person as a human. These are your x-rays today. The cartilage in between the two slowly wears away. That's known as arthritis. You can have a meniscal tear, and all of this lines up to say basically you got a very angry knee.
Everything he's done for me so far has helped, so hopefully we can get to a bottom of this. He's very reassuring that what he's doing is going to help you. He loves his patients and he knows what he's doing.
So how you doing, buddy?
Not bad, not bad.
You mind if I take a look at your leg?
He's kept me in therapy, kept me motivated to do the stuff I need to do to get better. And I couldn't probably ask for a better doctor as far as that goes.
We're going to continue with the therapy. I know you're highly motivated, and I think that's what's going to give you the best long-term outcomes. Our ultimate goal every time is to get the patient right back to where they were before the injury that they presented to us with. I see you getting around work pretty good. Seem to be making good progress.
Dr. Shah is a phenomenal doctor. He is very personable, he is very friendly, he makes you feel like he has the time for you, and he really sits down and explains everything.
The gratification of seeing somebody who was once in pain and hurting and didn't quite know where it was going to go, and having that patient follow back up in the office and seeing them walk out of here, seeing their family walk out of here with them, and them being over that moment in their life to know that this too gets better, that's probably the best part.